Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a male-to-male DC connector wire like this. For this project we need two DC connector and a wire about 1 meter. So without taking your time friends, let's go and make it. So friends, let's see how our wire is going to work. As you can see, the wire is ready here. As you can see, this battery is also having DC female jack. You can also check out the link in the description on how to make a 12-watt lithium ion battery. I'm going to connect the battery with the cooler. It's also 12-volt cooler, so I'm going to connect the 12-watt cooler which is having DC female jack. So I'm going to connect the battery. I'm going to connect the battery to the cooler with the help of the wire that we have recently made it. So let's go and check. Let's check the wire. Is it working or not? Friends, I hope you have learned how to make male-to-male DC connector wire. Make sure to like the video, comment how was the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more amazing videos. See you in the next video.